You might not do anything but residential homes. You might do commercial work, but if you're a spray foamer looking to do foam jobs, the number one concern should be prep. This is a $1 million wall and system to do 3D. You never know who's going to call you. We've got mountains of plastic in here, but you've got to be concerned about everything. The back side of this wall has cables coming out of it and everything like that. You've got to cover every one of those. If we look up here to the ceiling, we are looking at Cat 5 cables. We're looking at the HVAC system. We're looking at these dots up here that are part of the 3D system. Every bit of this has to be prepped. One of the most important parts of any spray foam job is ventilation. Whether it's a retrofit home, a new home, when A and B come together, we produce a lot of cast off from the amine catalyst. If that stays in the building, they're not going to like it. It's going to smell for a long period. It's hard to get rid of. So you get rid of it right away. As soon as you start spraying, you want fans going. We've got high-end electronics, you've got sound floor, you've got everything. On the next project you go out on, make sure your ventilation is good. Funny thing is, if they don't smell anything when you give them back the building, there's generally no problems. If they smell something, your problems may go on for a very long time. If you have questions about ventilation, prep, spray foam, or any of the products we carry at IDI, reach out to your local branch, reach out to anyone at the company, where we look forward to not only helping you, but earning your business every day.